What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Champman Gaming here. Today we're gonna be covering some sports talk. I haven't done this in a little bit, and I haven't done it since Bro Goes. Me and Dean, we've been communicating, but our schedules have been kind of busy. So Bro Goes, we're just gonna try to do it whenever we can. But since we could not do it today, I'm here. So basically, this whole video is going to be dedicated to one topic. Tigers. They trade JD Martinez. Traded JD Martinez. But no. Not for the Dodgers, okay? If you don't know, the Dodgers are full of prospects. Might as well rename the Dodgers Prospects. Okay? Not the Diamondbacks. You could add a 10th prospect, which Cody Bellinger was a top 50 prospect in the world, in the major leagues. But what can you do? We're going to trade JD to the Diamondbacks. Justin Wilson's next. Hey, come on. You see me rep that Tigers hat. Your boy's second favorite team. Basically tied for first. I'm saying an Yankee fan. But when I see my city like that, dude, I'm living life, and you see them go down like that. It's hard. That's all I got, guys. Make sure to go check out Archer's Credo 2 to try camera, triple round gaming, nice fire, and let's see 3 up on R3 and Dinger T. Peace.